Hi everyone, welcome to the Language Training Center New Concept English Classroom, and today we will learn Book 1, Lesson 16. Sağolasiz qara, 16 ders o'rgansak, bu 16 ders hamda shu oldingi darsimizniki nimasi edi sanlar, bir tekrar qismi. Xo'sh, undaqda bu darsimizda ko'p uchraydigan so'zlarni o'rganaylik. So'zlardan keyin biz shu oldingi dars o'rgangan, masalan, ismlarni ko'plik shakllar, shunami? Shularni o'rnida hamda ko'plik ishlaydigan bir necha jumla shakllari bor. Shularni mashq qilib o'tamiz. Xo'sh, hamsa yangi so'zlar. Aga birinchisi nima desanglar? Russian. Okay, and my organ name Russian. Okay, and Russian deganimiz nima? Rossiyalik. Rossiyaning bo'lsin bo'ladi. Sanlar Russian. Okay? You know, this is Russian people. This one is Russian people and this one is Russian flag. Okay, and the flag deganimiz bayroq degan gap. F-L-A-G, flag, Russian flag and Russian people. Okay, Rossiyaliklar shunami? Russian, you know, he is Russian. Deganday shunami? Okay. So, is he Russian? Nima degan gap bo'ldi? Is he Russian? U nalikmi? Rossiyalik. Mu? Rosmu? Degan gap. Yes, he is. U Rossiyalik shunami? Okay, good. My friend is Russian. And then mening dostum bo'lsa Rossiyalik. Okay, and this mening dostum Rossiyalik mu? Demek ma'noni savolga aylantirib aytsak, is my friend Russian? Okay, Russian. Demek ma'noni Russian sağlaştı. Next one is Dutch. Okay, Dutch. Xo'sh, endi Dutch deganimiz nima desanglar? Gollandiyalik degan gap. Okay, look, they are Dutch people. All right, Dutch people. You know, he is a Dutch fan. Okay, o bo'lsa nima desanglar? Dutch. Fan degan nima desanglar? Mastanasi. Har xil futbol mastanalari, naqsh mastanalari bor-ku. Shu mastani degan nima deymiz? Fan deymiz. Dutch fan degan nima? Gollandiyalik mastani. Arada Gollandiya qanday o'ltay desanglar? Gulda o'ltay saqlashlar. Bu Gollandiyaniki dunyoda gulda o'ltay. Dunyoda Amma nima desanglar? Dutch flag. Ma Gollandiyaning nimasi? Bayrog'i. Okay, this is a Dutch flag. Okay, this is a Dutch flag. Xo'sh, and the next one is these. Okay, and these deganimiz hamda the ma talaffuz qiladi. These. Yaxshi, these deganimiz bular. Albatta, mushu ingliz tilidagi this, mush bu deymiz-ku. Mushniki ko'plik shakli. Okay, ko'plik shakli. Okay, malcha these. Okay, these are Dutch footballers. Okay, footballer. And footballer degan futbolchi, shunami? Footballers degan keyin askatildi-ku. Bu shaptilchi chiqaranda bo'yalgan. Okay, bu nima? Footballers. Okay, bular bo'lsa, Gollandiyalik nimalar? Futbolchilar. These are Dutch footballer. Okay, bu Gollandiyaning futbolchilari xelalam kuchli, shundami? Xelalam yomon. Okay, nima? These degan nima? Bular. Bular degani. Okay, these. Okay, next one is red. Okay, red. Actually, red. Red is kind of color. Qanday rang bo'la? Ekranda ko'rinib turibdi, qizil rang, shundami? Qizil ranglik. Masalan, whose is this red car? Okay, and the whose degan nimada bo'lganda bo'la? Kimning, shundami? Whose is this? Bu kimning? Qizil mashina. Bu qizil mashina kimning? Whose is this red car? Okay, next one is gray. Okay, gray qanday rang ekan bolalar? Kulrang. Yaxshi. Kulranglar nima deymiz? Gray deymiz. Gray. Qaranglar, ma o'yiningki tema qaysi rangni sirlarlik ekan? It painted gray. The wall is gray of the house. Okay, and the gray deymiz nima? Kulrang of this house. Demakchi bu o'yining tema qanday? Kulrang. Misharika wall deganimiz nima? Masalan, tom degan gap. Wall. Okay, mana qanday ekan? Gray. What color is this phone? What color is this phone? Sizlarcha, bu telefonning rangi qanday rang ekan bolalar? It's gray. Okay, what color is my sweater? Okay, my popaykaning rangi qanday ekan savolashlar? It is Gray, right? Gray degan kulrang. Xo'sh, it's gray. Okay, next one is yellow. Okay, yellow. Actually, yellow. Yellow deganimiz hamda sariq rang. Okay. This is bedroom. Okay. Nima? It's yellow. Shunaqa. This is bedroom. Hamda bu bo'lsa bo'ladi. Nima? Yotoq qo'y. Bu qanday rangda? This is yellow. Okay. Ma velosipedchi. Bu velosipedni nima deysanlar? Bicycle deymiz. It's a bicycle and it's yellow. Okay. Bu bo'lsa bir nima deysanlar? Velosiped. U qanday rangda ekan? Sariq rangda ekan. Va kishi qotil velosiped ekan bo'ladi. Bicycle. Okay. Yellow. Qizil degan nima bo'lganda? Red. Yaxshi. Oldingi darslarimizda yeshil deganni o'rgangandik. Yeshil degani green. Good. Next one is blue. Okay. Blue. Xo'sh, hamsa blue. What is this? Qaysi adabanglar tegida blue shirt, blue pen, blue sky. Sizlarning qaysidi? Okay. It's blue sky. Okay. What is this? It is blue nima? Shirt. What about that? It's blue pen. Yaxshi. Bu esa blue pen. Blue deganimiz hamda ko'k ranglik. Okay. Blue shirt, blue pen, blue sky. Good. Next one is black. Okay, black. Black deganimiz nima bo'ldi? Hamda qora. Qora ranglikni black deymiz. Like black shoes. Okay, shoes deganimiz oyoqlar, shunami? Black shoes, qora oyoq, shunami? Ya'ni-chi black computer. Okay, a black computer. Qora ranglik nima? Computer. Ya'ni-chi black car. Yaxshi, qora ranglik nima? Mashina. Demak, mushlar nima? Black. Qara. Okay, next one is orange. Okay, orange deganimiz shu orange oblisonning rangi ham oblison nima? Orange deymiz, Such as what is the first one? Orange handbag. Okay, so what color are these? First one is orange. Okay, handbag. Orange hat, orange shirt. Okay, I'm missing again. Orange, orange, orange handbag, orange hat, orange shirt. I'm missing that. Sure. Listen around that. Okay, they are. Good. What color are they? They are orange. They are orange. Good. Okay, such as red book, white shirt, gray coat. Okay, and the red book degan qizil rangli kitob, white shirt, oq rangli nima? Ko'ylak, a gray coat, kul rang palto, yellow tickets, yellow deganimiz kul rang bilet, sariq rang bilet, blue suits, ko'k rangli nima? Customerka, black and gray hat degancha qora ham kul rang nima? Shlapa. Okay, orange ties, orange deganimiz nima bo'ldi? Oblisson rang, green passport, yeshil passport, black umbrella, qora umbrella, qora kunlik, white handbag degan.